Today I am with NOKIA G50 5G and I will show you how we can turn on and customize Always in Display. So normally in the phone we cannot find this option as default, so we have to use external application from the Play Store. Let's type Muviz Edge. We have to get this up from Sparking Labs. Let's open. Right now accept permissions. Select Muviz Edge and tap on the switcher. Then just go back. Select overlay mode and tap to get started. Right now we have to open this application one more time. Click on the AoD screens at the right bottom corner. Tap that we got it, and right here we can find default themes of the same basically option. This one looks really cool, so I'm going to apply. And when you tap on the right upper corner on the settings, you can customize Always in Display. As you can see, there's a lot of options that you can set up. So right now I will show you my favorite setup. Okay, and right now, let's take a look how it looks. As you can see, Always in Display is right here. You can also change the theme. That's very simple. We can go for example for this one. And there it is. So, if you will find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.